guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for tuning in. This video is going to be a painting video. It's actually a first painting video on this channel. And it's also my first painting after ages. Just to tell you a little story, since childhood I used to enjoy colors. I used to do a lot of painting, say it acrylic painting, watercolor painting, glass painting, embossed painting, and it was all only until 9th grade. And after 9th grade I just got busy with academics and also started spending more time with family and friends, and I really don't know, life just went on. Thanks to quarantine and lockdown, I now decided to pick up on this hobby, and I'm actually doing this painting after 10 years, and I hope you'll enjoy seeing the creation of it.